stars. I hope that you're doing so well today. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Molly and I'm so grateful that you decided to click on this video and that you're here today. I hope that you want to stay and subscribe and like this video if you like it. So today I have a mystery box unboxing, and I ordered another mystery box from a fellow reseller. Her name is Randi. She makes YouTube videos and I'll have her closet down below. I don't know if she has any more mystery boxes available, but I just wanted to show that this stuff is available for anyone that maybe doesn't have access to a lot of thrift stores in your area, or you're a little bit nervous about going thrifting a lot because of COVID, and you can either order from her or kind of see what you can get. I mean, every mystery box is different. Personally, I would look for the ones that are like not so mystery, because then you can see what labels there are in the box. Typically what people do is they take a picture of the labels of the things that are going to be in the box. Then you kind of know, like, hey, like this is gonna be some Anthropologie stuff, some Free People. This was only $15. That's not bad. Cracking it open and let's see what we have. So first item is Sparrow, and this is from Anthropologie. It is a size small. Either it's small, medium, or it's just a small. This is actually very fun and it's in good condition. I don't see any flaws, and I think noted in her description that some stuff may need like a few fixer-uppers, but honestly, it's what you'd probably find at the thrift store anyways, so I'm grateful for this. Oh, cute. This is Pilcreel in the letterpress, and it's a skirt. Pilcreel is really cute. I like their stuff. They typically have like jeans and bottoms, basically. And this one is Ava Franco. It's a size 4. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm gonna see. Yeah, I've never heard of this, so we'll definitely look her up. It's a size 4. It's a fun skirt as well. And this is a Free People size extra small top. And I love selling Free People. I know it doesn't sell the greatest for a lot of people. For me, it's kind of a slow mover, but I've been finding a lot of it at the bin, so I just pick it up and I have been doing pretty well. Some stuff sells pretty quickly. It gets a lot of likers, so I like to have it in my closet. And this is Urban Outfitters, and it's a size medium, so it's just the Urban Outfitters brand. And I think it's just a shirt, but I love the detailing on the front. It's cut open on the front and back. And the last item is Maeve by Anthropologie, and it's a size 4. And I love this cobalt blue color. And this is also a dress. So this is everything that I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $15. The shipping, it made it around $24.11, so that's not too bad for that many items. Typically it would probably be about that much to get it at the thrift store anyways, at least in my area. If you want to have her closet link, I'll have it all down below, and she also has an Instagram and all that stuff, so I'll just link it down below. And I bought this with my own money. I'm not at all like affiliated with her or these mystery boxes or anything like that. I just wanted to buy it because I wanted to support another reseller and also get some inventory that is from a different state, you know, see what they find, because every state I feel like has different stuff in their thrift stores, and I really like everything. I think this stuff will do great, and I'm excited to look up this brand that's new to me, the Ava Franco one. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. I know it was really quick, simple, fast, but I just appreciate you all so much for clicking on this video, and if you want to stick around, definitely subscribe, and we have lots of fun here. I create so many different videos from lifestyle, fashion, reselling, and beauty, so if you like any of that stuff, this is a place for you, and welcome to my little slice on the internet. And I hope that was my mom sneezing. I don't know if you heard that. And I'll see you in my next video. Shine bright. Bye.